Ah, ang nasa Dubai, United Arab Emirates po ako. Doon ako naka-base for 14 years. I was working in a hotel company. Yan. At I also started a family there with my husband. I have 3 children. My work before was very stressful. I was a corporate trainer, and so I was sort of overseeing yung training in our hotel chain. Kaya napakalaki po ng pressure sa akin. And because of that, nagsistress eating ako. At ayun ang I think isang malaking factor na nakadagdag dun sa ano ko, sa pag-gain ko ng weight. But buti na lang, na-introduce actually sa akin yung Herbalife nutrition supplements. I actually used it as my prenatal, postnatal supplements, as well as of course for losing weight, and even for my perimenopausal season at that time. At laking tulong po nun sa akin. I just want to also mention that aside from the aloe and tea and shake, yung basic natin na Herbalife nutrition healthy breakfast, I would also use yung vitamins and minerals. Until now pala, I'm using that, yung fiber and herb, yung herbal lifeline, yung ocular defense, okay, at yung mineral herbal complex. Ang laking tulong po nun sa yung season ko, especially when I was when I was in perimenopausal stage. Uh, but I really like to highlight po, no, na kaya linagay ko dito kaagad yung disclaimer na yung Herbalife Nutrition Supplements po does not claim to diagnose, treat, cure, prevent, or any disease. So when you give your body all the nutrition it needs on a daily basis, the body heals. Yan. So ang topic ko po for today is all about the amazing human heart. Sandali lang. Ang topic po na to is based on an article from Dr. David Heber, who is the chairman of our Herbalife Nutrition Institute. Sabi niya, the human heart is a muscular pump that delivers oxygen, sandali lang, di ko tuloy na nutrients and hormones to all the organs of the body. Tingnan natin, okay, what the human heart looks like. Ayun. Di ba napaka-amazing ng ating puso? Pag ganun siya kalinis, ganun siya nagfa-function ng mabuti, ang ganda tingnan. And it makes you actually feel grateful and thankful for how God created us, di ba? So yung human heart it's the pump of the circulatory system. So mapapansin niyo dyan sa diagram na yan, no? If you look at the upper part, yung lungs natin, yun yung nagbibigay ng oxygen sa ating heart. Pero yung heart din natin, kay nagpa-pump out din siya ng what we call the blood up to the rest of our body naman po. Ganun po ang napaka-importanting role ng puso sa ating katawan. Without the heart, we don't have life, right? Paano naman kaya ang itsura kung broken yung heart mo? O, hindi ito sa mga nasawi ha, ito yung may mga physical na conditions na pag broken yung heart. So let me just share with you these images Para may comparison lang tayo. Sa gitna, yan yung healthy heart. Pagka ikaw pala'y nabaril sa puso, ayan, ang itsura ng puso mo, may butas. Pag kayo po ay merong cancer, okay, ganyan ang tsura naman. Nakikita mo yung difference, di ba? Pagka kayo naman po ay may drug overdose, ganyan ang itsura ng puso no. At itong po ang sa akin, for me, what we should really be aware of. Kung obese tayo, okay, at mataas yung ating fat percentage sa katawan, yan ang itsura ng fatty heart. So can you just imagine, kanina di ba nagpa-pump yung heart? Eh what if balot na balot yan sa taba? So hirap na yung mag-pump, kaya minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng mga chest contractions, di ba? Nang sabi ni Dr. David Heber, yung genetics plays a role kung meron tayong mga conditions sa puso natin, no? Pero sabi niya, pag balance yung nutrition natin at we follow a healthy, active lifestyle, it can support a healthy heart. Kaya dito po sa sa atin sa VNC, we promote yung Formula 1 nutritional shake mix natin. Kasi po, it's a solution to give our body what we need, okay, without sacrificing yung taste or yung convenience. Ang maganda pa po dito, aside from the 9 grams of protein and because of its low calorie, meron tayong 19 vitamins and minerals at kasama po doon yung antioxidants na A, C, and E to combat oxidative damage sa ating katawan. Yan. Ngayon, let me just talk about yung main ingredient dun sa ating Formula 1 shake. It's soy protein. I would just like to share with you on the right-hand side, this is a study conducted by a registered dietitian. And sinabi din po niya dito na in 1999 po, yung US FDA, nag-claim sila na yung soy, the 25 grams of soy protein a day is part of a diet low in saturated fat and cholesterol and may reduce the risk of heart disease. Kaya po yung text na yan, pag tinignan niyo po yung Formula 1 shake nyo, nakasama po dyan. Kasi nga po, we are FDA approved. So, soy protein lowers LDL cholesterol or what we call the bad cholesterol. By the way, yung soy protein natin po is called soy protein isolate, meaning it has um, all the necessary amino acids that we need, okay, because soy is a complete plant protein. However, it's already stripped off yung purine. Yung purine po is what causes yung nagko-cause siya ng pag-increase ng uric acid. Okay? So, by drinking Formula 1 shake mix po, you don't even have to worry about that particular condition, no? Kasi nga po, it's soy protein isolate. Now, additionally, sinabi po dito na yung study na ginawa ni Megan Ralph, yung registered dietitian, sabi dito, isoflavones in soy improve endothelial function. So yung isoflavones po, yung hormones na yan, uh, nakakatulong po dun sa yung kalusugan ng ating yung mga arteries natin, yung mga valves, yung mga vessels po natin. At because nga it's a plant-based, obviously nakaka-lower po to ng blood pressure natin. Yan. So yan po ang ating Formula 1 shake mix. Uh, Now, one other thing that na mabuti para sa ating puso is yung presence ng omega-3. Kaya dito po sa Herbalife Nutrition, meron tayong supplement na ang tawag Herbal Lifeline. Yan. It's very rich in both EPA and DHA, which are the two important components of omega-3 essential fatty acids. So it's really a supplement for heart support. Another supplement that we have is called the Garlic Plus. It has vitamin C. Okay? So imagine nyo na lang po, no, yung benefit ng garlic. Kasi di ba ang taas nito sa antioxidant. Tapos may kasama pa siyang vitamin C. So, imagine nila yung combination niyan. Ang galing po ng effect niyan para po sa heart support again. By the way, the Herbal Lifeline and the Garlic Plus with vitamin C, kasama po yan dun sa targeted nutrition packs natin, which I will show you again later. Now, isa pa pong ating magandang product sa Herbalife Nutrition is yung tinatawag nating Nightworks. I believe na mention po to ng several ng mga sharers natin that these are one of their favorite products. What is Nightworks? It's a revolutionary dietary supplement that contains a unique blend of L-arginine and L-citrulline with other blend of antioxidants that helps support production of nitric oxide or nitric oxide in the body. Now, what is nitric or nitric oxide? So papakinggan po natin itong explanation from no other than Dr. Louis Ignaro, okay, about his discovery on his research of nitric oxide and how he was able to develop this into Nightworks. Sandali lang po itong video na to.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lou Ignaro, member of the Herbalife Nutrition Advisory Board. As many of you know, I was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine. I'm sure all of us want a healthy heart, but our busy and fast-paced lifestyles may make it difficult for some of us to have a heart-healthy diet and exercise regularly. Our blood vessels may also become less flexible and harden with age, which can affect our cardiovascular health in a negative way. Did you know that nitric oxide can support a healthier cardiovascular system? Nitric oxide levels in your body are crucial in maintaining a healthy heart. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels and maintains a healthy blood flow in your body. When the nitric oxide levels in your bodies are low, this may lead to tissue damage. Together with Herbalife Nutrition, I've developed Nightworks. Nightworks can be taken every day to improve our cardiovascular wellness. Nightworks contains L-arginine and L-citrulline that contribute to nitric oxide production to help keep blood vessels toned and flexible for healthy vascular function. And so, start protecting your heart and take Nightworks every day to keep your heart in shape.
And so that's Nightworks po. Okay? So who is it suitable for? Kung gusto nyo is mag-support ng healthy nitric oxide production nyo sa katawan, okay? Kung gusto nyo ma-improve yung circulatory health nyo, kung gusto nyo ma-improve yung vascular health, okay, for example, yung mga varicose veins, those who lead a busy and stressful life. And if you know that you have an unhealthy and balanced and not balanced diet, pwede nyo po to i-take. So in other words, it's really for everyone. Yan. So, ito po ang ang tanong ngayon, 'di ba? Pinag-uusapan natin yung the amazing human heart at kung paano natin 'to maalagaan through balanced nutrition. So, ang palagi po natin nakikitang quote kasi is this: prevention is a whole lot less costly than treatment and maybe more effective. Katanungan po yan palagi sa atin. Pero ngayon po, ipepresent ko at sana makatulong po ito na mas mura nga ba talaga kung mag-prevent tayo ng heart attack or any other heart condition? Ano yung comparison, okay, sa magagastos natin? Yan. So, pakita ko lang po ito sa inyo. Ito po ay yung kinuha ko lang po sa website nitong Philippine Heart Center, okay? Ito pong form na to, it basically shows you po an estimate of the treatment packages that they have. This was last updated yung April 2023. So, I'm not sure. So, this could be approximately higher, okay, at this particular time. When you look at the surgical package deal po nila, meron po silang mga inclusion. So kasama po doon yung hospitalization nila, yung number of days na magsistay ka doon sa ospital, yung medications, yung paggamit po ng operating room, at of course, yung professional fees. Pero, if you look at the cost po nito, hindi po dyan naka-include yung ito pa pong mga nakalista dyan sa ating screen. Now, tingnan na lang po natin itong nasa baba. Okay? yan po yung procedure. Tapos meron po yung columns kung gusto mo nasa private ka, semi-private o ward plan. At saka yung length of stay mo dun sa kwarto. Okay. Let's say we just look at yung papalitan isang valve mo. Okay, single valve replacement ang tawag nila dun sa puso mo, no? Okay, mechanical lang. Hindi siya yung may bioprosthetic. Tingnan mo naman yan. Kung mag-choose ka ng private room, okay, umaabot ng 1 milyon. Again, may exclusions po yung cost na yan ha. At hindi pa po dyan kasama yung gagastusin mo sa magbabantay sa'yo, yung pagkain niya, yung pagbiyahe po niya, at lalong-lalo na po yung oras na igugugol nyo dun sa pagstay sa ospital. Okay? Na ngayon, ang magstay mo dun is 8 days ka lang. 1 milyon nang magagastos mo. Ngayon, kung gusto mong magtipid at nasa ward ka, nasa 700,000 pesos. Okay? Ngayon, ito po ang titingnan natin. Kung tayo po ay aalagaan natin ang puso natin with balanced nutrition, let's say, i-focus lang natin dito sa context ng in-offer namin dito sa Herbalife Nutrition. Yung Start Now Pack, di ba? Naalala nyo, kanina na-mention yon, yung meron na siyang Formula 1, meron na siyang tea, meron na siyang aloe. Ang total cost po nun, if you buy it at retail price, is 6,000, around 6,136.48 pesos. That's good for a month. So if you take it for the whole year, yan po yung cost niya, 73,000. And you're assured that you already have a balanced nutrition, so susundin mo pa yung sinasabi sa'yo ng coach mo. Kasi when you engage in Herbalife Nutrition, may kasama kang coaching from your Herbalife Nutrition coach, di ba? So may value na kaagad yun. It's not just the products that you buy, but the support that you have from your coach, and by the way, from this community, which is the one thing that I also like. Okay, kasi natututunan ko yung mga updates, okay, yung mga different mga sitwasyon na meron dito sa kalusugan natin na dapat ma-address natin with proper nutrition and an active lifestyle. Now, look at the next ones, di ba? Kung mag-invest ka man lang sa isang magandang health plan, tingnan mo na lang tong ating targeted nutrition. So, nandun yung Herbal Lifeline, nandun yung Mega Garlic, at kung gusto mo pa isama yung Nightworks, nandiyan nakalista yung total cost. Tingnan mo na lang ito as a whole. On a monthly basis, okay, if you buy the Start Now pack with your targeted nutrition plus Nightworks, yung monthly na investment mo dyan is 14,318.08 pesos. That's the retail price. E paano kung discounted? Kahit, what if you're a member? Congratulations. So you can either have a 25%, 35%, 42%, or even a 50% off from that. Okay, now, yung annual cost, nandiyan dyan din. So again, imagine start computing yung discount level mo. Compare that with the number of days na ma-spend mo sa ospital to address your medical condition ng heart mo. So, it just makes sense, di ba? Saan ka mag-i-invest ng iyong money, your hard-earned money? Magsisave up ka ba for you to live a healthy life? Or magsisave up ka para kung magkasakit ka, may panggastos ka? Diba? So let me leave you with that question. Okay? Now, ito yung sinasabi ni Dr. Heber. Uulitin ko lang. Yung genetics, yes, it plays a role, but balanced nutrition and a healthy active lifestyle can help support a healthy heart. And this is what we're recommending. You try the Start Now pack. You also engage with the targeted nutrition kasama dun yung Herbalife line and Mega Garlic. Tapos, kung okay pa sa sa budget mo, why not take the Nightworks? Narinig naman nyo kanina yung mga na sharers natin, di ba? So, ano yung conclusion natin? Prevention is indeed better than medication. Okay. By the way, yung Heart Strong natin, no? na targeted nutrition. Um, ano lang po namin, no? I-share lang din namin tong information na to. Alam nyo ba na yung cardiovascular disease is the #1 cause of death in the Philippines, with an estimated 50,000 people dying every year? Yan. So yun na lang po. Gusto niyo ba masama kayo dun sa statistics na yon? People who actually don't consume enough omega-3 may experience hair loss as well, and are higher in risk of developing heart disease. Okay, so why not have a strong heart and make powerful choices, di ba? You can, it's readily available, Herbal Lifeline and the Mega Garlic Plus. At we rest assured po, hindi po namin hindi yung Herbalife Nutrition pag tinik yun, hindi po kayo mapapahiya kasi katulad ng mga nabanggit kanina, it's #1 in the world in several categories na po. At dito po sa Pilipinas, it's been recognized as a super brand, meaning meron siyang seal of product quality. What you get, okay, is what's on the label. That's why it's a super brand po. So marami pong salamat sa inyong oras, at ang sinasabi po namin dito, make it heart strong. Okay? Love your heart, live your beat, live your best life. Marami pong salamat.